चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Trouble for Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal as Delhi High Court has directed Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal to take down video of court proceedings where he addressed the court personally after his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. The court has now issued notice on PIL against his wife and others for allegedly violating the VC rules. So, Sunita Kejriwal, who's been served with a notice by the court for violating VC rules. This after Kejriwal had addressed the court personally after his arrest by the ED.
आज कोर्ट ने इसमें सुनीता केजरीवाल और अदर रिस्पोंडेंट्स को नोटिस इशू किया है। कोर्ट ने इसमें एक्स पार्टी ऑर्डर हमें ग्रांट किया है, जिसमें कोर्ट ने कहा है कि जो वो कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स हैं 28 मार्च 2024 की, उनको आप इमीडिएट इफेक्ट से रिमूव करो। ये डायरेक्शन सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स को दिए गए हैं। इसमें फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम ने अंडरटेकिंग दी है कि दे आर गोइंग टू रिमूव इट विद इमीडिएट इफेक्ट। ट्विटर की तरफ से इसमें कोई अपीयर नहीं हुआ, उनको नोटिस इशू हुआ है। यूट्यूब ने हमें पहले ही कह दिया था कि हमने वो रिकॉर्डिंग डिलीट कर दी है।
अगली हियरिंग कब?
नेक्स्ट हियरिंग इज़ ऑन 9th जुलाई। उससे पहले सभी को इसमें अपना जवाब दाखिल करना है।
Let's put out more news break coming in. This one from J&K, where days after terror attack in Riyasi district, the J&K police has replaced SHO of Pawnee region, where the attack took place over the charge of negligence and not taking timely actions on input that was received before the attack was carried out. So a reshuffle in J&K police as the SHO of Pawnee has been replaced. This over the charge of negligence and not taking timely action on the inputs that were received. Let's quickly go across to Gursimran also, who's joining us with more details on that. Gursimran, it seems that the SHO did not pay heed to the inputs that were given prior to the attack. Take us through how exactly was there negligence on part of this police official who's now been replaced?
See, Samiksha, it was expected that after this massive attack, there will be some responsibilities that will be fixed, and it has started from the transfer of the SHO, who has been shifted, and now the new SHO has taken over from the district police lines in Riyasi. The order has been issued, however, the order has not been put in the public domain, and we are told that the senior officials have asked the subordinates to ensure that the order does not go in the public. But we have confirmed from at least 3 quarters in the Jammu and Kashmir police that the SHO has been replaced, and the new officer Suman Singh has taken over the charge and is also carrying out the investigation into the attack. We are told that there were certain specific inputs with the police that were shared with the on-ground officers, but due to the negligence that was done, there is a possibility that the negligence was the reason behind this attack, and also there are many other reasons, including the proper response to the attack. That is also because first we are being told that it was the team from the Triat in the Rajouri that reached the spot. So the delay in the relief and the rescue operations, and also the prior inputs that were shared with the police and their failed to act by the concerned officer led to his replacement, and the new officer has taken the charge. We are told that the Ministry of Home Affairs has taken it really very seriously, this terror attack, and they have said that the responsibilities for this needs to be fixed, and also the terrorist behind this needs to be neutralized at an earliest, unlike we have seen in the previous operations where the searches will go on for months or for days and then there is no result. Samiksha.
Yes, Gursimran, just a quick follow-up question. Any clue that the police has been able to gather with regard to the 4 sketches that were released of the terrorists behind the terror attacks in J&K?
See, yes, the 4 sketches were released from the Doda and 1 sketch was released from the Riyasi district where this attack took place. Though there are multiple inputs being generated, but there is no input that is a credible input. There are inputs from the locals that are being flown to the police, but no one is a credible that can be acted upon or can lead to some success, at least for now, Samiksha.
All right, Gursimran, thank you for the moment. So for now, Gursimran, they're getting us the latest. Our security has been heightened across the valley after back-to-back terror attacks in the last few days.